Oh hey, I've gotten a lot of questions and comments about what pending on Snapchat means. So I thought I'd post a video to explain it. It's really simple, so let's get started. So, I'm going to open up Snapchat, and you'll see that if you see pending on Snapchat, one of two things is happening. Either your internet speed is weak and you can't properly send the snap, or the other person either hasn't accepted your friend request or blocked you on Snapchat. Well, I'll give you a small example so you'll understand what I mean. I will send a message to one of my friends over here. Okay then, it says it was delivered here, and so it was delivered to him, and my internet connection is okay. If you have a poor connection to the internet, you will have to wait until your internet connection gets reliable. Let's do that again, but this time I'm going to send it to a random individual. I'm going to send it to a person named Jake, but I'm not friends with him right now, so I'm just going to send this generic Jake a new snap, and then you can see it says pending, because I just sent it to a random person. As you can see, it shows pending here. They haven't accepted the friend request, which is most likely the cause of the pending status. Also, it's possible that the person has blocked you or they've just configured their settings so that you can't send them a snap. In most cases, you just have to wait for them to accept your request, and then they'll see your snap as usual, because there's nothing you can really do to keep them from having a pending snap since they haven't accepted you yet. When your internet speed is poor and you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data because a strong mobile data connection is always better than a weak Wi-Fi connection. That's all there is to it when it comes to Snapchat's pending status. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and please like this video.